Hi, welcome to another video in FusionTV. Today we'll be talking about how can we buy virtual lands in the NFT platform that is run by Ethereum blockchain. So what are non-fungible tokens? So non-fungible tokens are the short form for NFTs, and NFTs are ruling the world currently, and more people are getting into the NFTs. And so what are NFTs? So basically the non-fungible tokens are pieces of art. So you can see, like, for example, this piece of art made news just a few months ago for selling for a whopping 69.3 million worth of Ethereum. And this artwork was called the Everydays, and ever since people are wondering what is so worth about this type of NFTs. So NFTs, as you guys know, is that it's virtual art, and you can own literally anything virtually as long as you make it, or either you can buy it. So people have been wondering about how we can buy NFTs on the other on websites such as OpenSeas, Rarible, and so on and so forth. There's so many ways that you can own NFTs, and you can even own land right now. So I'm going to teach you how you can own a virtual piece of land, and this has been the hot topic, and you never know about how worth it can be worth in a few months or years to come. Your piece of land might be worth a whopping, oh, who knows, it might be $1 million or more. You never know. It's just that more people are getting more invested in the virtual space because the person who bought this artwork has opened the minds of many people that, you know, the next big thing is going to be NFTs, and there's a lot of craze about opening your horizons, about exploring things bigger than this world. We're exploring about virtual habitats and everything. It's really interesting. So I'm going to be teaching you about how you can own NFTs and pieces of art virtually, such as land. So as you guys know, there's places like OpenSeas where you can actually buy pieces of land. So what is OpenSea? OpenSea is like a place, it's a marketplace basically to buy NFTs, new NFTs, and also you can buy many other things. You can see all these things are NFTs. Let's just take, for example, this NFTs. Okay, so the thing is, once you make an offer, if the offer is made and you happen to buy them, what happens is that they'll give you the minted token ID, and what happens is it slowly belongs to you, and you become the only owner of the NFT. So when this happens, this solely belongs to you, and no other person have control over the NFT. So similarly, I'm going to be showing you about how you can own land. You can see land. Okay, so if you go type in land, you can see different types of virtual lands. You can see the listing price has just increased to many things, and this is a piece of artwork here. And not just this, for example, you can even own land, like, you know, land in the open space by Sandbox. Sandbox is a place where people of different environments of virtual habitats come together and they play around these habitats, and it is pretty cool. And you can just sign up here if you want to, and you can join their community, and it's quite amazing the fact that you can own virtual land. Okay, you can get your very own land NFTs, and you can buy them in OpenSea like I mentioned, and I'll put the link down below, and you can head down and you can buy them. And I'll just make a quick run through on how you can buy. For example, this piece of land is cost 99,000 Ethereum. Okay, let's go and take a look at this boy. This worth a whopping $275 million. Whoa, that's a really big amount. And if you want to buy them, you can actually make an offer and you can buy these lands. And gone are the days where you only invest in real estate properties. Now you have virtual estate properties, and this is just getting interesting, guys. And if you have liked my content, please subscribe to my channel down below and hit the like button and comment on what type of NFTs are making you interested in. Would you buy a virtual land like this? Let me know down the comments below. Or would you rather go for the things that OpenSea has to offer, such as this type of lands, or even the place that the NFTs have to offer, like the marketplace, the things like them, like these type of coins or tokens? Honestly, if you ask for my honest opinion, I would say that it is really interesting about getting purchasing these type of virtual lands. And if in if you really are able to purchase them, and if you would like to invest in this type of place, definitely, if you are purchasing it for this type of amount, you are hoping to make a times 5 or times X minimum. Who knows? If you're buying them, you are buying it not just for the purpose of the emotional purpose of buying this property, but also in future that this property might be worth $1 billion. Who knows? If it happens, come back to this video and let me know. In a few years time, it might happen. We never know. So that's what I'm trying to say. And it's honestly very amazing. And if you just look at rundown of a sandbox.game, you look at how the players are designed and how they are in this platform, this land. So I guess you can actually buy the land and also let them go. And also, if when you buy the land, it's not just a place where you can land. You can also sell your piece of land down here, and definitely people would want to buy the land in time to come. People would be interested to buy a land from you. Who knows? But this is not financial advice, but I hope this expands your horizon on how you can buy virtual land, and whether it is going to be very worth it in the future. You might never know. But this is just one place where you can buy a land, because this expands your horizons to many more other things, and it is not limited to just this platform. All right, you can intensify your gaming experience, or you can just make it your own virtual habitat. Who knows? And that's it for this video, and do subscribe for more content regarding NFTs and cryptocurrency. Thank you. Goodbye.